Welcome to MadeCV.com. What is your name and nationality?
I'm Marisol Reyes. I'm a Filipina,
What kind of job are you looking for?
housemaid, nanny,
Okay. What is your visa situation?
cancel,
Cancelled
cancel my
visa. When was your visa cancelled?
this coming Monday.
It will be cancelled.
Yeah,
It will be cancelled this coming
this
Monday.
coming Monday.
Okay. In which cities and countries are you willing to work?
Dubai,
Only in Dubai?
yes.
Okay. Tell me something about your work experience.
Um,
Uh,
I worked as a housemaid in Philippines for almost 3 years before I came
okay.
here.
Mm-hmm.
And when I came here, I worked at Chiquimanquis Playland
Okay.
in
Chicken monkeys?
Albarcia.
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
Albarcia Mall.
Okay.
My duties is cleaning the area, the whole area.
Okay.
So,
Mm-hmm.
taking care of kids, looking them when their parents are not around.
So you're on a company visa and it's not a family.
No,
Okay. So how old were the children in Chicken monkeys? How old mostly?
1 year old,
Up
about.
to 1 year old above. Okay. So why do you want to leave this job?
To seek a better opportunity.
Okay. Okay. What are your salary expectations?
For leave out.
You're looking for a live out job.
Yeah, I'm looking for a leave out.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
2,500.
Okay. Since you're asking for 2,500, which qualities do you have to ask for that kind of salary, for a monthly salary?
Um, what?
Mm-hmm.
Mm, skills. Yeah, cleaning,
Yeah, what skills? Mm-hmm.
household chores, um,
Mm-hmm.
pet care.
And since you're, I think because you're looking for a live out job,
Mhm.
in the 2,500, accommodation and transportation is included
Yes,
already.
included.
Okay. So that explains it. Okay. Are you
Ah,
single or
what?
married?
Single,
Single. Uh,
but 4 kids.
that's it. You're a single mother and you have four
Four
children.
kids.
Where are your children?
Philippines.
In Philippines. Who's taking care of them?
My parents, my family.
Your family. Okay. Which activities do you perform with kids? Yes,
Mm,
especially in Chiki
yes.
Monkeys. Yes. What do you
Um,
perform with kids?
Arts and
Activities.
crafts.
Okay.
Storytelling.
Storytelling. Mm-hmm.
Yes. And doing mascots. So, um, yeah, storytelling,
Okay.
dancing. Have a
Dancing.
dancing. Yeah.
Mhm. Okay. If the baby is crying, what will you do to calm him down?
Ah, I what do you call this? Um, I give him or her a toy,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
or I can I can get him and do some dancing.
Oh, okay. You will entertain the kid,
Yeah,
the child. Okay. If one of the children hurt himself, what will you do?
hurt himself.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. For example, one child accidentally hurts himself. What are you going to do?
Hmm. Wala ako. Teka lang.
No,
Um,
for example, if like in Chicky Monkeys,
mm.
if one child accidentally hurts himself, what are you going to do? Are you going to call her
Oh
mom?
yeah,
Are you going to
we're
give
going to do. I'm going to do first aid
first aid?
first.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay, that's
first
it.
aid
Mm-hmm.
first,
And then,
and then call her mom, and call or dad to tell
uh,
them what happened.
to inform them.
Yes, to
Okay.
inform them. But
Okay.
first, get the first
Mhm.
aid first.
First aid, yes. Okay, as a housekeeper, which task will you perform every day in the house?
cleaning the house, the
Mm-hmm.
toilets, mopping
Mm-hmm.
the floor,
Mm-hmm.
doing the laundry, ironing.
Okay. So, do you know how to cook?
Yeah, I love to
Okay.
cook.
What
And
kind of
then
food?
I'm
What
a
kind of food?
Filipino, but I'm
Philip,
willing to learn their
you're willing
dishes.
to learn. Okay.
Their
But
dishes.
what do you prefer? Housework, caring for kids, or cooking?
Caring for kids.
Caring for kids. Okay. How long do you envision staying in this job? How long do you plan staying in
Mm,
this job?
5 to 10 years.
5 to 10 years. Are you in good health, Maricel?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Are you comfortable with animals such as cats and dogs, for instance?
Not that.
You don't like pets. You're not
Yeah.
comfortable with pets. Okay. Okay. Why should you be hired? If I am the employer, I will ask you, why should I hire you, or what sets you apart from the other applicants?
I'm flexible,
Mm-hmm.
hardworking, trustworthy, and I'm do all my best to make you satisfied.
Okay. What else? Is there anything else? What what do you do best? Do you clean very well?
I
Do you
clean
love
very
taking care of
well.
children? What do you do
I,
best?
l-
Mm,
I love their children as my own.
okay. Okay. So, what are your hobbies? What do you do during your spare time?
Eating, sleeping,
Eating. Do you dance? Do you sing? What else aside from eating?
watching TV, watching movies.
Okay. Okay. Thank you very much for your time, Maricel. Please keep your mobile phone on with you as families will contact you.
Thank